Jai Gurudev Neeraj Bhaiya.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, and a very warm welcome to all of you to join this session with Neeraj Bhaiya, the special Knowledge Bite session with Neeraj Bhaiya. So, Neeraj Bhaiya, this has been my experience as an organizer for G3 sessions. That these G3 sessions actually transcend the language barrier. So there's some people who are not so comfortable with the English language, who don't understand the words. And yet, when I hear their experiences in the experience sharing session, they have a very profound experience. So, your thoughts on that, Bhaiya? How does that happen?
Yeah, welcome everyone to the Midnight Knowledge Bite session. Thank you, Aditya, for taking this initiative and asking such a beautiful question. See, when we are in a state of meditation,
Right.
the eyes are closed, but the inner intuitive, alert aspect
All right.
is awake.
Absolutely.
For example, sometimes you call a person by his name when he is in a deep state of sleep.
Mm-hmm.
What happens? In a room full of people,
Mm-hmm.
you call out Aditya's name, who is sleeping.
All right.
Only Aditya will wake up.
Absolutely.
Have you had that experience?
I have had that experience a couple of times with my brother actually disturbing me during a deep sleep state.
Yes. So you got your answer.
Yeah.
So what is really happening now? Let's understand the science behind this. What is really happening is the consciousness is very, very dynamic.
All right.
It's agile and alert most of the time because it is that witness aspect deep inside the consciousness, the super consciousness, even beyond the super consciousness state, which is beyond the material, the subtle, the causal, and then you reach that deepest state of witness. So while one is doing whatever one is doing, sleeping, waking, dreaming, that is sort of an action.
Right.
But then there is that aspect which doesn't really act, but it only is witness to
Witnessing.
everything that is happening.
Right.
So while we may be awake, while we may be sleepy, while we may be meditative, it is that witness consciousness aspect, the deepest, which the changeless, eternal, beginningless, endless aspect, which
Right.
is what really the Guru aspect is all about. Is
Wow.
always, always watching us and awake to whatever is happening and perceives everything that is going on with us. That is why even in a session where when Guru Gita is being recited, the essence is being recited, though it may appear that the people are dozing off or they are closing their eyes, because that's what we ask them to do.
Right.
और जब ऊपर की आंख बंद होती तो मन की आंख खुल जाती है, इसीलिए उनको बोला जाता है ध्यान में जाने के लिए the easiest way to get into meditative state is close your eyes.
Beautiful.
So the power of consciousness is such that everything is there inside the DNA. So any which ways, the whole knowledge is already resident within in the seed form. The Guru aspect, the inner voice is already there
Right.
within us, isn't it? What do you think?
Absolutely.
So that is the aspect which anyways is the all-knowing aspect. So what you are listening to, even in the state of deep meditation, is anyways already there inside somewhere. So what these references from external voice that is telling you, saying something, okay, da, 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 okay, this is how what we offer to the Guru, all those little things that come up,
Right.
is only a reminder to trigger and pop out what is already there in your system.
Wow.
So you know it at subtle level, you already know it. So the external words, whether you recognize the language or you don't recognize the language, the essence, the energy behind the words is already embedded deep into the system.
Beautiful.
So that is what gives you, uh, the experience. It gives you, once you are out from that meditative state, it gives you the ability to share what you have. So though it might be appearing to the other people that this fellow may not have got anything, or even to him, but when he comes out and shares his experience, even he is surprised or she is surprised that how he got it. But it's a natural phenomena worth digging into, worth examining, and I think G3 is a
Beautiful, beautiful way of actually experiencing it.
Good session too.
Absolutely.
All right. Anything else, Aditya?
Well, I just wanted to dig a little deeper into it
Sure.
and just trying to understand from beginner's perspective. So, if you are actually getting into a state of meditation, it's a journey from effort to effortlessness.
Yeah.
So, there is a part of your intellect that is being used at the beginning.
Mhm.
I might be wrong when I say that.
Mhm.
So, how does that intellect? Okay, it transcends. And
How
go-
do you transit beyond
Yeah,
the intellect? How
yes.
does one
Yes.
go beyond, and how does the recital help
Absolutely.
you?
That is the
Is
core
that the-
essence of my question.
Is that the question? Okay, I got
Yeah.
it. Okay. So we all know there are 7 layers of existence, and the self is the 7th layer, which is the
Right.
deepest layer, which is the changeless eternity.
Mhm.
Everything else around is changing. The intellect is getting sharper as we grow old,
Mhm.
and with experiences, the discriminatory power becomes more sharp. But the self is that reference point which sees all the change. Okay, so going beyond the intellect is taking us to that center point, which is the witness aspect again. So when you are in that place,
Mhm.
like you take a ball,
Right.
if you're right in the middle of the ball, everything around the ball will be visible from that center point.
Absolutely, it will be. But
Are you ready?
as it's revolving and you are in the center.
You are in the center. The center is stationary, and you are
Oh.
centered and established in the center.
Yes.
Right in the center, everything, the 360-degree view all around,
Mhm.
in all dimensions,
Yes.
is visible.
Absolutely.
Got it?
Absolutely.
Intellect is somewhere in between. The
Oh,
moment you go
okay.
to the center point, you are able to
Beautiful.
witness everything.
Beautiful.
Got it?
Thank you so much, Neeraj Bhaiya, for this profound knowledge, and I'm sure all our viewers must have really relished and enjoyed it. So stay tuned for further knowledge bites with Neeraj Bhaiya. Neeraj Bhaiya, do you want to say something?
No, that's
to
all.
us?
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you so
Aditya.
much.
Thank
Jai
you.
Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Guru night. Sleep tight.